In today's hyper-connected world, literally everything we do runs on the network. I'm talking about your apps, your video calls, all those cloud tools. They all depend on a fast, reliable connection to even work. But that total dependency, well, it creates a massive challenge. And it usually starts with a really simple and super frustrating question.
Oh yeah, we've all been there, right? A critical application just slows to a crawl and immediately the blame game kicks off. Is it the app? Is it the server? Maybe the cloud provider? Or is it the user's Wi-Fi? And if you're on an IT team, oh man, this is your daily nightmare. You check all your dashboards and every light is green. So what gives? Where is the problem? And this slide, it just perfectly illustrates the core issue. On the left, you've got what your old traditional monitoring tools see. A bunch of isolated devices that all say, hey, I'm healthy. But on the right, that's the reality of your user's experience. Their data is taking this wild, complex journey across local networks, the wide open internet with who knows how many ISPs, and then finally to some cloud provider. Your old tools are completely blind to that entire trip.
This creates what we call the modern network blind spot. It's pretty simple, really. Our networks have evolved like crazy. We're all about cloud, SaaS, and remote work now. But the tools we use to watch over them, they just haven't kept pace. And that has left this massive, massive gap in our visibility.
To put it as simply as possible, the problem usually isn't that your router is broken. The problem is the unmonitored space between your router and the application. It's the internet itself, which for most IT organizations has become a total black box. And as we all know, you can't fix what you can't see.
But what if you could see inside that black box? This is where we get to shift from talking about the problem to talking about the solution. So let's dive into a new kind of visibility. Let's talk about AppNeta.
At its heart, AppNeta is a performance monitoring platform that was built for this exact modern reality. Its entire purpose, its whole reason for being, is to give you complete end-to-end visibility, all the way from your user's device to the application they're trying to use, even if that app is a SaaS tool halfway across the planet.
So this is a huge step up from just getting those simple up or down alerts. I mean, knowing an app is slow is one thing, but that doesn't really help you fix it. AppNeta is designed to give you the where, the why, and the how. Where is the lag coming from? Why is there packet loss right there? And how is it actually impacting what the user is trying to do? That is the difference between guessing and knowing.
So you're probably wondering, how does it actually do this, right? How can one platform see across networks it doesn't even own, like the public internet? Well, that's where the real magic is. So let's pop the hood and take a look.
Okay, so check this out. The process is actually surprisingly simple. First, you deploy these lightweight software agents. They call monitoring points in your key locations. Think offices, data centers. You can even put them on user laptops. Second, these points are constantly sending out safe, synthetic traffic that acts just like real user activity, testing that network path every single minute. Third, all of that performance data gets zapped up to the AppNeta cloud for analysis. And that, of course, leads to the final step, pinpointing the exact location of any problem.
Now, the technology that powers all of this, that's the real secret sauce. It's called PathView, and it's AppNeta's signature active monitoring engine. This is the piece that maps out that entire network journey hop by painful hop.
The best way I've ever heard it described is this quote right here. It's like a continuous, intelligent traceroute on steroids. Think about it. A normal traceroute just shows you a static path one time. PathView does it every single minute, and it intelligently analyzes every single hop for latency, for packet loss, for congestion, giving you a live, moving picture of your network's health. It's a game changer.
Okay, so that's the tech. Pretty cool, right? But let's make this real. How does all this data actually translate into solving a real-world problem? Let's see it in action.
Let's use a classic example. Picture this. Your company just moved its HR app to the cloud. Suddenly, tickets start flooding in from the Singapore office. The app is unbearably slow. Who do you even call? The cloud provider? Your ISP? Their ISP? Well, with AppNeta, you don't have to guess. You just run a PathView test from the Singapore monitoring point straight to the HR application. And boom, there it is, clear as day on the dashboard. A massive latency spike at one specific router. And you can see it belongs to an ISP somewhere between Singapore and Sydney. You've just found the needle in the haystack. And that is the payoff. The root cause is identified in minutes, not the days or even weeks of finger-pointing and painful conference calls it used to take. Now you have objective, third-party data you can take directly to that ISP and say, hey, look, the problem's right here.
It completely transforms the whole troubleshooting process.
And look, this same idea applies to pretty much all of today's biggest IT challenges. We're talking about making sure crucial SaaS apps like Microsoft 365 or Salesforce are actually working well, or getting visibility into your work-from-home employees' networks. Or, hey, validating that your new SD-WAN rollout is actually improving performance, or proving that a cloud migration was a success. Visibility is the key to all of them.
So this brings us to a really important point. This is about so much more than just making life easier for the IT team. This is about connecting network performance directly to the business's bottom line.
I mean, think about it. When you can find and fix problems that fast, you absolutely slash your mean time to resolution, or MTTR. That means less downtime. By spotting issues before users even complain, you're finally proactive instead of reactive. And all of this leads directly to improved employee productivity because their tools just work, and way better operational efficiency for the business as a whole.
So what this all really means is that AppNeta elevates the entire conversation. You're no longer just talking about monitoring packets and latency, you are delivering business performance intelligence. You're actually answering the question, how is our network impacting our ability to do business right now?
And that leaves us with one final thought to chew on. In this digital era, your network is your business, period. When it's slow or unreliable, your business slows down right along with it. So the question you really have to ask yourself is, without this kind of end-to-end visibility, is your network an unknown liability just waiting to cause a problem? Or is it a managed, high-performing asset that's actually driving you forward?